What's your words for the day?
Do good works and make some custom soffits.
There we go. Good bird boxes, boss.
Yeah, thank you.
How about you, Tank? Got any words for the working man?
Hold it down.
Hold it down. There you go.
So old beefcake nipples right here.
Be back at 8 in the morning.
Yeah.
Y'all stay tuned for more Super Duty adventures. We're about to drag race here, people.
Yeah. That's next.
Charles is driving the 2018 Silverado with 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. I'm riding a 2011 Super Duty with 385 horsepower and 411 foot-pounds of torque.
You ready? You ready?
Ready?
250 versus the old Silverado. 3, 2, 1, go.
We smoked him, people. 20? All right.
Yeah.
Tell me when you hit 20, then say 3, 2, 1.
5, 2, 1, go.
There we go. We smoked him for 20, people.
Hey, we're on a private road, closed course. Do not attempt this at home, people, and have a Super Duty day.